Wilujeng Sumping. Here I will explain about Sundanese traditions. Sundanese clothing has its own characteristic. There are two types of Sundanese clothing. Sundanese women wear kebaya, while Sundanese men wear pangsi. Kebaya clothes for women differ in their use. Some are worn for brides, graduations, and party, with the characteristic of wearing singer, kebaya, and sampur. Meanwhile, for everyday use, you can wear a regular kebaya. Men usually wear black pangsi, which is used for farming, but now, black pangsi are used for official event. Sundanese people also have a one of which is the Sundanese script called Ngalagena. Sundanese script has its own characteristics. When we walk around, we will find Sundanese script in a various places, such as street signs, office names, and many more. Thank you for watching. I'm Arya as animator. Goodbye.